Nice. All right, we've arrived at Rick's. It's about 2 minutes later after I did the last part of the video, and he's already in action this morning, which is not surprising. So I took about 6 seconds of video yesterday capturing the crash, and I'm already filming. You're making good progress, sir.
I'm going slow.
Yeah.
Quite often when I hurry, things go even worse. Weird, huh?
Yeah, as we stand here surveying the damage, I think this is going to straighten out.
It's going to be all right.
It's, shit. I'm going to drop this.
It's a 30-year-old truck, so it is what it is.
Yeah, 30-year-old pristine truck. Well, mostly.
Yeah. Oh, it's been less than pristine. I was thinking, though, every time something bad happens to this truck, you're there.
The 2 times.
Right.
Something bad has happened.
Right. 100%.
Yeah, to stop that story and tell a different one. What he's referring to is I was asleep in the passenger seat as we were going to Eastern Oregon.
You were still there.
After another long night, as a matter of fact, because I'd worked that night. And
apparently I don't do well if you don't get enough sleep.
And a deer tried to commit suicide on the side of the truck on the other side, which has been straightened out more or less. But now they're kind of match in that they're, from 20, 30 feet away, you'll be like, hey.
It's a sack of walnuts.
Yeah. This one. Well, you got to take the door panel off anyway, right? Or you already did?
Yeah, I did.
And so can we get up on this at all?
I did a little bit already.
Yeah, sometimes.
This stuff here it's just going to be there, and that
Yeah.
may come out a little bit more. This I was able to get squeezed back in some.
Okay. Oh yeah, that looks way better than it did yesterday. Which is kind of the mantra in this shop, right?
Yeah,
look, almost factory.
Yeah. What was it, the Greek philosopher mediocrities? Yeah, good enough.
Yeah. That's rain on my screen here or not. I'm trying to look through that. So, in repairing this wounded mirror, unfortunately there's no nuts or in the door. Yeah. And so we're dealing. You want me to do that while you hold inside?
Yeah, we can do that way.
Ready?
Yep. I'm doing this myself.
All right, this is aging veteran fishing nuts out of the bottom of a door.
Yeah, we will try to make.
I just said get a magnet, and you said no. The door's made of metal.
It is made of metal. It's also out of reach.
Yeah, I figured. There you go. Is that one of many things?
No, that's the only two.
Oh, nice.
This is one of the handiest little salesman gizmos they ever gave me.
Yeah, I've got one of those screwdrivers with the interchangeable bits that has that stuck in the thing, but then I had to bend it one time to get into someplace.
It's usually only good for one bend.
Yeah. As it turns out, she never worked quite right after that.
Yeah, that one is not one of my better sharpenings.
Oh, so we're still in the sharpening phase of this project. Come on, focus. So, again, just trying to repair yesterday's damage. Alright. Zoom in there. And so we have successfully installed / repaired the... Boy, that just looks rough.
Yeah.
Let me get a better camera angle. Let's get more direct on it.
Yeah, no, it's rough. It ain't as good as it was, for sure.
Yeah, that's too bad. Anyway, we went from... What was the other broken parts? I think we can fix it. This is what we started out with today. And this is where we wound up. So...